Sagittarius, beautiful, beautiful Sagittarius. What is in the store for you in the month of October with regard to your career? This is also a yes or no reading. So, if the card answers the questions, I will answer that question. Mind that it's a general reading, so it might or not might resonate. And also, it's a general reading, so all the yes or no they might work or work for not for you. If you want a specific question to be answered, then you can drop it in the comment section below so that I can pull in your energy and think about the question and then answer that while pulling the cards. Okay. And we have the devil. Okay. The cards are not visible. Okay. Okay. Okay, Sajis. So the overall October energy is that the October is a month where you are trying to break yourself free from an unhealthy environment, and you are moving towards a calmer water and patiently working towards recognition. Okay, you're waiting for it. It's a month of progress, but also a month of clarity and balance. And there are a lot of six. So 6, 16, 26 are the numbers that you need to look forward to. These are the dates in the month of October that might be you know point of change in your professional prospect. And look for Pisces people around you. They are going to help you achieve what you want. Okay, it's a very strong energy of there's a very strong energy of toxicity in the month of October. So that is very sad. Sajis, I can see that the place where you're working right now, it is full of toxic people, and you are feeling trapped and bound in your career. You are stuck in a very toxic work environment. You are overworking, and you are burning yourself up because you have responsibilities, you have bills to pay, and we all have. Okay, so there's nothing to be sad about. And we all have to work, we have to do something in order to pay our bills. And you are stuck in this job in order to pay your bills, but you are not liking it. You are not enjoying what you're doing right now, Saji. And you are trying to find a way to get out of this situation. But we have a very good news, a very beautiful news, that transition is coming. You are moving away from the struggles in a smoother phase. And this may also be a signal that old patterns and old patterns are ending, and you are moving towards a new role. And you are finally finding a mental clarity in a situation that was draining your energy, physically and mentally, both ways. And we have a very beautiful, beautiful card, Six of Wands in the mid of the month, which says that recognition is on its way. It's a card of success, praise, and victory after efforts, and you can expect acknowledgement for your work. And you are going to receive public credit, and you might also receive a new leadership opportunity or appreciation from higher up. So I do not see a new job, but I see improvement in this current workplace that you are in right now. So your seniors are going to recognize your efforts, and they are going to appreciate what you are doing. And you might get a sudden raise in the month of October, Saji. So keep on looking for that. And you may find some financial improvements in your situation. You might get a bonus, but this is the month of festivals, so you might be getting bonuses for the Diwali and the Shera, maybe. But this is more than that. You are getting a little extra from others. You're getting support and help from someone very influential. So somebody who is in a very influential position is about to reach out to you because they have seen you working so hard for things, and they can see how emotionally mentally turmoil you are, and how much effort that you are putting in your work, and they are going to recognize it, they are going to acknowledge it, and they are going to pay you for that. Okay, so it's a person of influence, and that person is in a higher authority position, at least higher than you, and they have a professional reputation. They have this kind of reputation that this person, he has that Midas touch. If it touches you, you become you were nothing, and you become, suddenly you become god. This is the power of this man that is coming to you, towards your life, towards the mid or end of October. Okay, so do not give up. Okay, this is what the universe is telling you. Do not give up. I know that you are struggling right now, but then the help is on its way, the recognition is on its way, the success is on its way. And we have Seven of Pentacles, which says that the patience is the key. You're feeling stuck, but be patient, and you have planted some seeds in your career. They are growing. The result is not instant. You have planted the seed, you have worked upon it, you are waiting for the results. It might not be instant, but it's there. Your efforts are being recognized, and you are going to get long term rewards. Okay, and by the end of the month, Saji, there is a decision to be made, and you may feel stuck between a career path or the offer or the approaches that you're getting, but you need to be very intuitive about it. You need to trust the logic, and you need to understand that whatever serves best to your career, choose that path. This person that you are about to meet is going to make an offer to you. They are going to give you an offer, and you need to choose whether you want to stay here or you want to take this new opportunity that they have for you. Okay, Sagittarius, but you need to balance and weigh the pros and cons about both the situation, and then only decide. But if you have been working hard and you thought that nobody is acknowledging your hard work, then the October is the month when your efforts will be acknowledged. You are about to meet someone very strong, very powerful, very influential, who is going to, who has the power to change your life upside down. But the decision is yours. It is you who has to decide whether you want to grab this opportunity or not. And the universe is telling you to weigh the pros and cons, and decide it very rationally, and trust your logic and intuitions in order to make a right choice. So, overall, the story of Sagittarius is the month begins with confronting restrictions or toxic cycle in your work. But as the month unfolds, you will move into a calmer territory and find recognition for your efforts. Financially and professionally, balance will improve, but your patience will be tested here. So, you are not going to see an overnight result that you slept as a tier. You slept in a tier 2 company, and then you woke up in a tier 1 company. That's not going to happen. You have to be patient. You have to do your hard work, keep on doing your work, and be patient. But by the end of the month, you will have a very important choice to make, and you have to decide whether you want to take A path or the B path. And the mantra for you for the month of October, Sagittarius, is repeat this, that I break free from limitations, trust in steady progress, and step into recognition and balance with clarity and confidence. Wish you all the best for the month ahead, Saji.